Children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online English literature class, and you all know that from next week, that is from 2nd of August, we are going to start with a pre-midterm examination which will be of 20 marks. So children, in English literature you all know that chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 will be coming. Okay, chapter number 1 is Smile and chapter number 2 is The Hidden Sun. Okay, so I hope you all have understood those two chapters before only. You all know that what is there in these two stories. Okay, so they are very interesting stories also. So children, as you all know that every day you are also getting online sessions in the evening. So every day I hope you all are attending all the subjects online sessions very nicely. And those who are not attending, children, please make sure that this week you have to attend all the sessions which are being held in the evening, because it is very important for you all, because in these sessions we are all the teachers are explaining the topics which will come in your pre-midterm exams. Okay, so make sure that those who have not understood those chapters, those who are new children, you all should understand from the online sessions only. Okay, so let's get started with today's first video. As you all know that in every subject you get an assignment, and with that assignment you get two videos, part 1 and part 2. So in the same manner, today also, from today we are going to start with our revision work for English. So today our first revision will be of chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. So we will be doing word meanings in this video, part 1 video, and in part 2 video we will be doing chapter number 1 and chapter number 2, fill in the blanks. Okay, so I hope you all are ready, children. And once again I want to tell you that in revision work I want you all to take out your revision notebooks, and you will do all these revision in your revision notebooks only. And when we will do these revisions, when we will be having our pre-midterm exam, then just open these revisions only and you can learn from there. Okay, so these revisions are very important for you all. So first of all, children, I will do word meanings with you. So I have given you around 9 word meanings combined of chapter 1 and chapter 2, सबके mixed हैं दोनों के. And इसमें first of all मैं आपको word पढ़ के बताऊंगी, and then I will write the meaning and I will explain it to you. But in the assignment I will not write the meaning. Okay, वीडियो में समझाने के लिए मैं आंसर्स लिखूंगी, बट असाइनमेंट में टाइप करके नहीं दूंगी, बिकॉज वो उतना आपको खुद से करना आना चाहिए. इज दैट क्लियर? सो आर यू ऑल रेडी? लिसन टू ईच एंड एवरी रिविजन वीडियो वेरी वेरी केयरफुली. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. First of all, write down today's date, that is 26/7/2021. Okay, and then give the heading chapter number 1 and chapter number 2, revision 1. Okay, so today is the first revision which we are going to do. First revision is of word meanings. Okay, so we are going to do word meanings. I have written all the words, and meanings are not written, so I will explain it to you and then I will write. So listen to each and every word with its meaning very carefully. First word is set off. S-E-T, set, O-F-F, off. Set off. Set off means, meaning of set off is start off. मतलब किसी चीज़ की शुरुआत करना. Okay, so here you will write S-T-A-R-T, start, O-F-F, off. Is that clear? Start off. Now coming to the second word, that is crept. C-R-E-P-T, crept means moved slowly and quickly. Moved, S-L-O-W-L-Y, slowly, A-N-D, and Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y, quickly. कभी धीरे कभी एकदम तेज भागने को हम crept बोलते हैं. Clear? Now coming to the third word, freezing. Freezing means F-R-E-E-Z-I-N-G. Freezing means very cold, VERY, very, COLD, cold. वेरी कोल्ड मतलब बहुत ठंडे एरिया को हम फ्रीजिंग बोलते हैं. जब कोई चीज़ बहुत ठंडी होती है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? फ्रीजिंग. इट इज़ फ्रीजिंग. ओके. कमिंग टू द फोर्थ वर्ड, दैट इज क्लस्टर. नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ अ क्लस्टर? CLUSTER, क्लस्टर, अ स्मॉल ग्रुप. एक छोटे ग्रुप को हम क्लस्टर बोलते हैं. अ स्मॉल, SMALL, स्मॉल, GROUP, ग्रुप. A small group. Freezing, very cold. Cluster, a small group. छोटा सा ग्रुप हो अगर है किसी चीज़ का, that is known as cluster. Now coming to the next word, that is the fifth word, raced. RACED, raced. Raced means किसी के साथ में रेस लगाना. तो means ran fast, तेज भागना. RAN, ran, FAST, fast. Ran fast. Raced, ran fast. Is that clear to you all? Now coming to the next word, that is bumped. BUMPED, bumped मतलब किसी भी चीज़ से अनजाने में टकराना. इन हिंदी bumped is known as किसी भी चीज़ से अनजाने में टकराना. So what is the correct meaning of bumped? Hit something without knowing. Okay. HIT, hit. SOMETHING, hit something. WITHOUT, without knowing. KNOWING. Okay, hit something without knowing. Now coming to word 7, that is pleaded. PLEADED, pleaded. Pleaded मतलब किसी से किसी चीज़ के लिए रिक्वेस्ट करना, बहुत अच्छे से रिक्वेस्ट करना. उससे मतलब एकदम से आप जैसे कोई चीज़ आपको चाहिए और आपको लगता है कि ये हमें नहीं मिल रहा है, तो आप क्या करते हो? अपने मम्मी पापा से रिक्वेस्ट करते हो. टू मेक एन अपील. ओके. सो व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ प्लीडेड? टू मेक एन अपील. APPEAL, appeal. Is that clear? Now coming to the 8th word, that is boldly. BOLDLY, boldly मतलब ब्रेवली. बोल्ड मतलब ब्रेव होना, बिना किसी से डरे. BRAVELY, bravely. Boldly means bravely. And the last word, 9th word, is delighted. DELIGHTED, delighted means किसी चीज़ से बहुत खुश होना. very, VERY, very. HAPPY, happy. Delighted means very happy. So that is all in this video, children, part 1 video. I hope you all have understood all the 9 word meanings. Once again I am repeating, children, make sure that you listen to it very carefully. Number 1 is set off. Okay, number 1 word is set off and the meaning is start off. Then number 2 word is crept. CREPT, crept, meaning is moved slowly and quickly. Number 3 is freezing and the meaning is very cold. Number 4 is cluster and the meaning is a small group. Number 5 is raced and the meaning is ran fast. Number 6th word is bumped and the meaning is hit something without knowing. Number 7th word is pleaded and the meaning is to make an appeal. Number 8th word is boldly and the meaning is bravely. Number 9th is delighted and the meaning is very happy. So I hope you all have understood these 9 word meanings very nicely, children. Now in your revision notebooks, I want you all to write the words first and write their meanings without seeing anywhere. Okay, I want you all to learn it carefully and then write it on your own. Is that clear, children? Now after completing these 9 word meanings, switch on to my part 2 video for your next revision exercise, that is of fill in the blanks. Bye bye, children.